Fall Creek Falls.
You want to do, there's another trailer here. It's all flat. It's like a little bit downward and it just flattens out. You go there a little bit.
Yeah. Mason writing in the ground.
Miss, come on!
You writing your name? Fall Creek Falls. Oh man, this is pretty. Wow, look at that, huh? Oh my god. Look at how high we are.
Still swimming down there.
Wow, look at that.
It's usually a lot. It's usually flowing a lot better than that.
Oh my god. It's like a big hole.
See them swimming down there?
Oh yeah, they are. That water's gotta be cold.
I see people down there.
Yeah, they're swimming. Wow. Jeez.
I want to go swimming.
Did they jump down there?
There's trails.
Jumped off the cliff. Cliff dive. Cliff dive from up there down there. Wow, we're so high.
We can sometimes.
Better not drop my phone. Could you imagine? Look at that, the edge right
Yeah, the
there.
trail. It's not even a mile. It goes right to there.
Way over
You wanna go over
there.
If we walk in here.
Look at that edge right there.
That's cool because when you get to the edge, you can see all the way down the valley right here.
Sit on the edge there. Wow, look at that. Look at the cloud. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah. Yeah. There's more clouds coming in. Base of Fall Creek Falls Trail, one way. This trail's a lot different, a lot easier than the last one. The last one's had big rocks. Oh, these things still hurt my knees though. Old age. Yeah. Yeah, they eat the leaves and the trees.
Is this okay for you?
So far. Oh yeah, here's another view. Is it? It's probably easier if I walk on where Mason's walking. Let me see, Sissy. Oh, nice. Oh, careful. They attached it to this rock here. Guess you don't roll down off the cliff. Jeez, look at this rock. Oh yeah, I'm not going down there. Bye, rock.